Hey everyone, today, we're diving into the impressive Sony 65-inch Mini LED QLED 4K Ultra HD TV from the BRAVIA 9 series. This 2024 model promises a top-notch viewing experience with its cutting-edge technology. Let's break down all the amazing features that make this TV stand out, along with a few minor drawbacks. Design and build quality. Sony has outdone itself with the sleek and modern design of the K65XR90. The ultra-slim bezel and premium build quality give it a sophisticated look that will complement any living room setup. The sturdy stand provides excellent support, and the overall aesthetics are simply stunning. Picture quality. The picture quality of this TV is truly remarkable. The Mini LED technology, combined with QLED capabilities, offers deep blacks and vibrant colors, ensuring an immersive viewing experience. The 4K Ultra HD resolution delivers sharp and detailed images, making every scene come to life. With full-array local dimming, you get precise contrast control, enhancing both bright and dark scenes. Dolby Vision HDR. Dolby Vision HDR takes your viewing experience to the next level by providing a wider range of colors and brightness levels. Whether you're watching a movie, sports, or playing games, the HDR support ensures you see every detail with stunning clarity and realism. The dynamic tone mapping adapts to each scene, delivering optimal picture quality at all times. Exclusive features for PlayStation 5. For all the gaming enthusiasts, this TV is a dream come true. The K65XR90 comes with exclusive features, designed specifically for the PlayStation 5. With Auto HDR tone mapping and Auto Genre Picture Mode, you get the best possible picture quality while gaming. The TV automatically adjusts settings to optimize performance, reducing lag and enhancing your gaming experience. Google TV integration. As a smart Google TV, the K65XR90 offers seamless access to all your favorite streaming apps, including Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney+, and more. The user-friendly interface and voice control capabilities make it easy to navigate and find the content you love. Google Assistant and Alexa compatibility allow you to control your TV and smart home devices with simple voice commands. Sound quality. The sound quality on this TV is impressive, thanks to the integrated speakers and advanced audio technologies. The Dolby Atmos support provides a surround sound experience, making you feel like you're in the middle of the action. The sound is clear and well balanced, adding to the overall immersive experience. Connectivity and ports. The K65XR90 comes with a plethora of connectivity options, including HDMI 2.1 ports, USB ports, and an optical audio output. These ensure you can connect all your devices, such as gaming consoles, soundbars, and streaming devices, without any hassle. The HDMI 2.1 support is particularly beneficial for gamers, offering higher bandwidth for smooth and responsive gameplay. Flaws. While the Sony K65XR90 is an outstanding TV, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. The premium price point may be a concern for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, although the sound quality is good, some users might prefer investing in an external soundbar or home theater system for a more immersive audio experience. Lastly, the setup process, especially for those unfamiliar with advanced settings, might require a bit of a learning curve. Final thoughts. The Sony 65-inch Mini LED QLED 4K Ultra HD TV BRAVIA 9 Smart Google TV with Dolby Vision HDR and exclusive PlayStation 5 features is a stellar choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. Its exceptional picture quality, gaming enhancements, and smart features make it a top contender in the market. Despite a few minor flaws, this TV delivers an outstanding viewing experience that is sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and if you're considering this TV, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Happy viewing!